Hey everyone, welcome back to How To. Today, we're diving into something we could all use, simplifying our wellness routines while saving money. Whether you're looking to streamline your self-care rituals or trim down your expenses, these tips will help you achieve balance without breaking the bank. Let's get started. Assess your needs. Take a moment to evaluate your wellness priorities. What activities or products are essential for your well-being? Focus on the basics and let go of unnecessary extras. DIY solutions. Get creative with DIY solutions for your wellness routine. From homemade skincare products to DIY workout equipment, there are plenty of budget-friendly options that are just as effective as store-bought alternatives. Simplify your skincare. Invest in multi-purpose skincare products that serve multiple functions. Look for products that cleanse, moisturize, and protect your skin to streamline your routine and save money. Focus on whole foods. Prioritize whole foods over processed options for your diet. Not only are whole foods more nutritious, but they're also often more affordable when bought in bulk or in season. Embrace minimalism. Adopt a minimalist approach to your wellness routine by decluttering your space and simplifying your products. Focus on quality over quantity and invest in items that truly add value to your life. Practice mindfulness. Incorporate mindfulness practices into your daily routine to reduce stress and enhance your overall well-being. Activities like meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises can be done at no cost and have numerous health benefits. Explore free or low-cost fitness options. Look for free or low-cost fitness options in your community, such as outdoor workouts, community centers, or online workout videos. You don't need an expensive gym membership to stay active and healthy. Shop smart for supplements. Research affordable options for supplements and vitamins and purchase them in bulk or during sales to save money. Remember, supplements should complement a healthy diet, not replace it. Prioritize sleep. Invest in a comfortable mattress and create a relaxing bedtime routine to prioritize quality sleep. Adequate rest is essential for overall wellness and can help you feel your best without spending a fortune. Set realistic goals. Finally, set realistic goals for your wellness journey. Focus on small, achievable changes that align with your budget and lifestyle. Celebrate your progress along the way. And there you have it, 10 tips to simplify your wellness routine and save money. By focusing on essentials, embracing DIY solutions, and prioritizing your well-being, you can achieve balance without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living a balanced and budget-friendly lifestyle. Until next time, take care and stay well.